And hello, this is Thomas, and I just started this hangout because I started a new story in Pivotal Tracker about setting a user status on website one, so I can tell people that I'm available or I'm happy or whatever. And of course, website one being our main site for Agile Ventures, as you all know. Let me go to screen share and share this with you. And yes, so this is this is the interface of website one of agileVentures.org, and I was thinking that we could have some sort of a display of current statuses on. Perhaps we can hide it away in the dashboard, just to see what's going on. We have the activity feed here, and we could also have site statistic. We could have user actions or something like that. Or is that good? Let's see. Let's have a look at the story itself. User can set current status availability. Yes. On the user profile, as a site administrator, in order to simplify interaction between users, I would like them to be able to set current availability status on the user profile. Okay, so we could say that perhaps they shouldn't be able to set set anything like in text, but rather choose from some sort of a status from a pre-selected user availability. Like I'm available to pair, or I'm offline, I'm logged in. Could that be something? Let's see. Set the user status. I wrote to how to set user order. Active or inactive. Online. Yes, well, let's start with a feature story. Let's see here. I just models, event spec. What is this? 6 failures. Next occurrence time after study. Oh. What is this? Huh. Why is this happening to me now? Okay. This is so weird. Didn't we just address this issue or something? Let's pick. Oh gosh, I hate to start a new feature branch with, having to deal with specs that are failing. So let's see, this good. Events, event date, spec, what's that line? 58, right? 58. Didn't we recently? I think we recently addressed this issue. So let's see here. What's up here? Nothing new. Okay. Let's see where we are on the spec. Models. Event spec. Blame. 58. Add exclusions to events. Okay. It should move the start date forward when the event isn't it to be removed as the first thing. It should move the start date forward. Uh-huh. And what else do we have? We have line 222 failing. And 222 is you return the second event instance when the start type. And what did you say on the 222? Oh gosh. I don't even know how to address this. Okay, let's see here. I know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna okay, so how did we do time travel? Yes, let's see. I know how we can do this. I think I need to set time zone those. Let's see, I need to set time zone. Oh, well, you can spell time zone. Let's see. Okay, well, I know how to do that, I think. Let's see. Let's go to wanna join me. Let's see here. Yeah. Let's go to features and hookups. No hookups. Jesus, I don't even know what the fuck that is. Okay, so helpers. No, books. Sorry. Not books. Nice and pretty. So we're just gonna default. So we gotta set this to the end attempts and UTC. So events back on 58, the learn time travel, and then if we go, well, we can set that. We can set it in a before block, but let's just try that. And then we go just and hopefully we won't be getting that error. Before block. I could set it to describe event. Let's see what it says here. I could set that before block on the whole thing. And hopefully that will fix it. But I'm not sure. 0 failures. Okay. But so if we just remove this here and run this again, the failure, of course. But before we go here, advisor do subject will stop, and I just think we can do here before each do, and we just set that time zone here, UTC, boom. Let's see, did we get an error here? Man, you're slow. Yes. Of course, because we didn't set that. So that works. So let's run the whole thing. See if it's gonna work now. It's gonna create a pull request. Oh. Yes. So okay. So here we're gonna do now. Just gonna copy this now. There's probably a better way to do this, but I'm gonna go a git stash. I'm gonna remove those changes. So this should disappear for me now. Yes, it's gone. So we're gonna go git check out minus b events spec fix event spec fix. Off. Here we go, and now we can add this and do like this, and then we go git status change git commit am fix for failing specs due to TZ mismatch. Mismatch. Buff, and we go git push origin. Git push origin. Yeah, event spec fix like this. And now we go to pivotal tracker, we push plus event spec R, yeah, R is failing due to time zone mismatch. Is that a real world word? See, mismatch. I don't know. See, English is not my native language, so mismatch. Failure to go. Yeah, cool. Well, is that? Yeah. So done. Bug save. And we start this one and we go to github.com and we see here that we just pushed out Thomas pushed up events spec fix, and we go compare pull request, and we added before block with what? Before block with what? With yes, and pt bug, and then just where are we? Here are. This is the bug. I just copy the link here and puff. I just paste it in there. Fix for failing specs due to T. I'll just go T in event spec.rb. So that's us. And now what we are going to do is, yes, well, let's get back, well, actually, yeah. How do we want to do this? We actually want to do this like this because we need this to be present in the next. Well, okay, now here's what we're gonna do, just in case. Copy, yes. So git check out buff, and I kind of need that update to be present in this feature branch. So I'm just gonna go git pull origin. Yes. I'm gonna pull down the branch I just pushed to GitHub, and in order to get that change to be present in the user status feature branch. And hopefully that will work. Yes, 4 insertions. So now we should be here, user status, and this is present. And now we're gonna go our spec It's gonna run the whole thing, and in the meantime, I'm just gonna check our Slack channel here. I was getting those randomly. Yes, they're both locally. Yes. I push up fix for that. Annoying. Is that how annoying is spelled? I don't know. Doesn't really matter. Hopefully that's it. We just set the yes. Aren't he gonna like run the specs or something? Oh, he's waiting for it. Okay, so here we are, and what we're gonna do now, we're gonna create ourselves a feature file here. So we go new file, and we go user status dot feature. Yes, we want to add that we want to add that to Git. And so let's go to tilt tracker and just copy this user story, and we go feature user status. Oh, that's not good English. So, and now it's gonna and go PT and go back to pivotal tracker, and there's a lot of this stuff I know, but that's the way it needs to be done. So, okay. So, background, even following users. Hold on a second there now, cowboy. Let's go to users. We got skills, given them the following. Yes. Background, given them on the, of course. First name, last name, skills test. We don't need skills test. Okay, that was. Given the following users exist, and go. Yes, let's see, we don't need that. So let's see, if I can create user attributes. Yes, that's cool. Those files, so first name, last name. Alice Jones, and and see, following the statuses have been set. Following statuses. So because we want to have one too many relations. So let's go. I want to status user. We need to identify the girl in a different manner. I'm just gonna copy this. And we're gonna go. So, so first of all, we're gonna go, and he won't find that because we don't have it. And we're gonna go user equals user dot find by first name, and that's user. But table hashes to attributes. Let's see, attributes user. Is that the right one? No. No. Okay, let's just go. Oh fuck! Attributes puts and just come. Okay, let's just. Scenario. Okay, let's just use status feature. So, okay, everything's passing. Good. So, cucumber features users status feature. inspect those attributes, see how we can access that. Ding, ding, ding. Someday today. Are we recording this? This one. While this is running, is somebody online? Well, some folks in. Yes, of course, we need to, sorry. There we go, copy there. There's a lot of these things that needs to be done. I have to update Pivot Tracker with a PR link, pull request link. Yes, and that's done here. And we can close this one now. Thank you. So, yes. So let's go back. Status user. Yes. So that's the hash. So I should be able to. Okay. So if I go puts attributes, user. Does it work? No. Well, actually. I don't know how to use that, so I think I need to access, because it's not being colored like, you know, brownish here. It should be dot user. Oh yeah. Okay. All right. Okay. So it's dot user. Yes. Let's just. So if I go attributes user like this, no method, but if I go like this, oh well, first. Okay. Yes, well, anyway, so this should be it. So yes, create status anyway. So we need to create status attributes. Status equals status is attribute status user ID is user. Okay. Oh, the user. So, is that? Okay. No, really. I'm getting a little confused here. No, really. I'm ready. How do I do this? So we have a hash, and I want to access. How the hell do I access that? Oh. Oh. Of course. Yes. Oh, anyway. This should fail because there is no factory go on that. And there's a first name. Huh? User file, blah, blah, blah. User ID, user object, but it should pass in the right thing, but we don't have a factory code for that, so we're gonna create that. Continue. Factory status. Yes, okay, so we're gonna go to factories and we're gonna we are gonna go to factories and we're gonna go like something like scratch projects, users, events, this one no. But we could have projects, yes. Title. Define article. Yes. statuses. RB. Yes, there we go. Factory. Go. Do. And we're just gonna force go. Factory. Status. Do. See if it's not called the tag. Status. Status. And then we have a user. ID. Okay. So let's run that, and then we're gonna create a migration. We're gonna create a model first. Let's see. Oh, sorry. Yes, well, it's gonna go. Why do I have to do it? If we don't have a current user. Oh. But we are using that. Aren't we? Because we're creating that here, user IDs, user folks ID. Let's see. Learning as we go along. Yes, so let's see, let's create that little to do. Well, no, let's, yes. Yes, well, there we go. So now we have 362 in that ID. And status. Okay. What about if I create a project? Okay, the project article. So create that by Thursday. So you go. Slack, create that, update that, user ID. There you are. So how come 360? Oh. So how do they do that in articles? Okay. So if I just go user and we go remove that. It's already loaded, so we need to restart the test. Yes, here we go. So anyway, yes, user profile the first name, Alice Jones. Now we want to create a factory girl with and status. Okay. Yes. Because we don't have that. So that's good. But if I want to go like this and user, yes, this is the same thing. So anyway, Rails generate configuration create status and status. Should I do it like this? Status. Then status string user ID. That work? Let's see. Let's go to DB. Migrate there. Add status. Well, this. We don't need that. So I'm just gonna, you know, because I'm lazy. Oh, there we go. So, so good. Let's do this. Rake db. Right. There we go. Okay, so let's see here. Okay, let's try that. Our user ID is 1. And hey, what do you mean? Well, okay, well, folks, let's see here. Let's just grab a quick factor goals. Okay, no, no, do, yeah, status. Why is that so? Why is not that? Huh, that's weird. That's really weird. Yes. Well, anyway, folks, I think we've made some progress. User find my first name. Okay, so after yes, and we have that user here. So status. What? What? Could that be? If I just rename this. And I just call it status. Is that anyway? Anything say? Yes. So it's statuses. Oh, that's the way you do it. Money for nothing. Checks for free. Uh-huh. So let's see, what do we got here? That's the way you do it. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. And also, so we can remove this one. Thank you very much. Delete. And yes, status spec, factory statuses, factory statuses. Copy. It's gonna delete this one as well. Yes. You do this one step. Step. Yeah. So rake, migrate. Yes, and also we need to go to model status and belongs to user. And user well, yes, of course. And user has many access. Yes. Huh? And user ID presence true. And yes, we're gonna run this little fellow last time. Oh, why is that? Why did we get an error? Well, did we get errors inside it already? But I did roll back. I did roll back. Well. Hold on. Let me investigate this. Okay, guys, enough's enough. It's been fun, but I'm gonna work on this a little bit on my own when I have time. It's getting late here, so again, as usual, live long and prosper. Take it easy.